Are you experiencing data loss issues in Sydney, New South Wales? Look no further. The Nerdcore Group provides exceptional data recovery solutions for customers in Sydney, New South Wales, and nearby suburbs. With years of expertise, we are the go-to specialists for recovering data from various loss situations. Trust our professionals to efficiently retrieve your valuable data. Since 2008, the Nerdcore Group has been the trusted choice for personalized data recovery solutions in Sydney, New South Wales. Whether it's critical business data or personal files, our in-house tools and advanced clean rooms offer the best chance for same-day data recovery. Don't let data loss disrupt your week. Rely on our proven success to recover your data, comprehensive data recovery services. We address a wide range of data recovery needs in Sydney, New South Wales, and surrounding areas, providing high-quality recovery services for various devices, including hard disk drive recovery. Hard drive failures can result from physical damage or software issues. Our experts are skilled in both hardware and software repairs to help you efficiently recover lost data. Solid-state drive data recovery presents its own challenges due to limited read or write operations and sensitive components. The Nerdcore team has mastered successful recovery techniques for various SSD models to ensure your data is safe. Your data recovery solution. Don't let data loss become a permanent issue. Contact the Nerdcore team today for industry-leading data recovery services in Sydney, New South Wales, and nearby areas. Trust our expertise to recover your data efficiently and securely. To recover your valuable data today, visit our website for a quick quote or call 1300 637 326.